Welcome back to Chem with Kess. Today we're talking about nucleophilic additions for aldehydes and ketones, and the reaction we're talking about today is called imine or imine. It just depends on how your instructor pronounces it. So for this reaction, friendly reminders, you need to have a primary amine. So normally I tell students, just a cheat code, that primary amine will always have those two hydrogens connected to it. The nitrogen has to be there in order to be considered the functional group of an amine. And then you can have a whatever R group that they want. When R is stated, R can be any type of like alkyl chain. It could be a ring. It could be even like an OH group that I have in the second picture, or anything that they want to attach to that nitrogen. It could even be another NH2. Now, this one's going to have a little trick later on, but either way, just pay attention. So for the imine, when we're doing this reaction, this is always going to be under acidic conditions when we talk about the mechanism. And then, of course, I got an easy way for you to learn this reaction. So what's happening is you're subtracting water out of the scenario. Now, I want you to remember this as well, because the way that I subtract water to get this answer, you'll be like, wow, is that it? Yes. So you see this is H2, and there's an O right here. I want you to pretend like you're going to just circle around here, and this is your subtraction of water. Then I want you to take the remaining portion, being the N, and the number of carbon chains you have. Please feel free to count them, because we love counting. We like not to get anything wrong. Then when we go through and we now discuss how to draw it, you will leave your double bond in place, and then you're going to just transfer that nitrogen group onto the top, and then whatever amount of carbons or groups that are attached to it. So this one has an OH group, and these are your answers. So once you, again, subtract that water, you're taking whatever is remaining and placing it on top of that double bond that had the oxygen. So again, for an imine, what it's considered to be as a functional group is when you have a carbon double bonded to a nitrogen. So this is really the definition of the imine as a functional group. Let me know if you have any questions.